problem. My storage ran out, so I had to clear out storage. And this happened. Now it restarted. But I'll show you guys again what will happen with the gas can. I'll try with the shotgun again. I freed up what? I had 290. Yeah, 129 GB. First minus into 127. Then I minus 2 GB again. By the way guys, I have a TikTok account. You can go and follow me there. It's called Kakashi Hatake me. I'll put it in the end credits. Book my account. First I'll see this. Okay guys, I was on my call, talking to work. I don't know why the hell this restarts every time. I don't know how to do the internal storage into SD card. I don't know how to make it in gallery because my internal left out 22 GBs in my left in my SD card. Okay. I don't know how to convert it into where the videos download into the storage SD card storage. So let's start again for the third time. Nothing. Anything up here? Nothing but just a door lock. Pathetic. Anyone up here? Oh, he's just going slowly up there. Bye bye. What the hell? Look out, guys. I'll throw this there. See, he came down. He came down. Because it fell down. That vase fell down. He can't hear anything else. But here he can hear that. Good. Nothing. Sorry if I'm making some weird noises. My nose is blocked, that's why. By the way, the Minecraft parts are loading slowly because I don't have internet, only works on Wi-Fi, and the Wi-Fi is not also good. It's pathetic. Is of picture, and I'll also show you one guy. I think I can kill him like that if I find a grenade. I went down like this, right down there, and I'll show you. Let me go down. You go. Okay. If I come here, exactly right here, throw a bomb. Okay, bomb. It might actually kill that weird looking thing of a pet.
I see you.
I see you too, bitch. Goodbye, I'm going up.
Granny.
Your granny's ain't home, bitch. You only home and I. Duct tape. I think you can feed that thing the meat. I don't know, I never tried it. Open up. Okay, the pliers are over there. That's cool. Open this also. And that thing, you see though, if you go from inside and throw it, that makes noise. So Granny can hear it. Grandpa can't. Throw. And if you guys hear more background music, just ignore it. Some show going on outside. He's right over there.
Aha!
Oi!
I see you.
I see you too. Okay, get up.
I see you.
I know it. Fuck you. Die, bitch. Back shot, back shot. No, safety. Let's go. Let's open this shit. Beat. Uh, uh, oh yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Open up, bitch, open up. I have to take that. By the way, if you hit your head on these, oh, those make noise. That can alert Granny. Let's see trying to feed that thing. Nah, nope, nah. Doesn't. Let's turn it and do it. Are there bombs over here? No. Puta. Seriously? Four-legged creature, bald, has pants. Completely fucking weird. Let me set my... By the way, you can do this with any bed. You just have to be good with it. Move! Let's go. Puta! Puto! Oh god, man. I don't know how they know it. Like they can feel the aura or something. Pathetic. Absolutely pathetic. And it is key. But where will he be? I heard a door noise. Let's go down and see. Yeah, please down here. Keep getting yeah. Oh, I needed his key, no? Dang. Oh, yeah. So, and once you touch that bed you were done with it, it will remove this icon, the bed icon. That will be bad for you. See, I'll show you. If you go to the next bed, it's okay. Okay? See, I go here. What the heck? Oh, I did it over here. See, if I do it over here, let me do it. Okay. Come to the bed, touch it. See, the icon goes away. You find it. Bad luck. Take a picture. start and just do it. Okay, by the way guys, if you take the stun there, you shoot him at there, the stun gun bullet will come down over here. Okay guys, I do that. Let's go. Let's open. Took me what, 5 minutes? Yeah, 5 minutes. Throw. Take the class fuse. I have to find that key. Helicopter key. I have to check where it is. That's it. Let's go. Also, I'll show you maybe that thing for you. That I think is it. That thing is it. What the hell I'm saying? Saying it like I'm retarded. It is over there. Don't go, okay? Let's go down here. Exact look right there. See? No, it didn't kill it. Anything only? Just a spark plug. That's
There
where
you
I
are.
shit. Where I didn't check. Oh yeah, I have to take that. I think I did it.
I'm hungry.
By the way, there will be a jump scare moment. I'll just show you guys. Okay. But you can do it with taser and shotgun with this. Use this fire. Open this and this will pop up. Yeah, I got the helicopter. Key. Let's go. I did this. Let's go. I did this. So let's go. This bitch is over, I think. Where is my shotgun? Where is my shotty? Okay, great. Out the bed, out the bed. Get out here.
There you are.
He's stuck. I like the dance he's doing. I think this is only works with shotgun. Let's feel it. I don't know where the hell these guys got a full-on military helicopter. Huh? Plus they got a nuclear. What they call it? A bunker. Yeah, bunker. They got a bunker. burger, bunker. How long is this? 21 minutes. See, one, two, no. Yeah, I'll throw it there and kill that. Maybe I can kill it. I'll see. Let's go, let's go. Throw this over there. Let's go. Let's get the shotgun. Because it didn't work with the taser. Yeah, stun gun. Let's go, let's go. Hey, come here. Come over here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Ah, man. What the fuck, man? What is that bullshit, man? I need bullets. What the? I need bullets. I need bullets right now. Oh, God. Oh, shit, man. Holy shit. Fuck.
Okay, let's move out.
God damn. Scared the shit out of me. I was looking for bullets. I found it. It killed me. Jump scare, man. Jump scare. Laugh what you want, man. I'll be back to kill you. Where you at? Where you at? He's probably down in the washroom. He's probably down there. Camera don't see me. Yo. Yo. What the? Maybe he went up. He went up. Probably, yeah. He's up here. Come on.
I see you.
Okay, this is it. I would have been done in 22 minutes, I think so. But I wasn't doing this tomfoolery around. Here I go. Oh god. Okay, this is the part 1. I'll do the part 1s too. Goodbye. Let's just say that